Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral Dubai Chewy cookies, so let's get started with the video. First, in a large pan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add 4 cups of Kataifi. Then toast it until golden brown. Once you finish toasting the Kataifi, pour it into a bowl to cool. Once the Kataifi has cooled, add 1 cup of pistachio cream and 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahini. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, place the pistachio filling in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes. Once the pistachio filling has finished chilling in the fridge, use a spoon to scoop the filling out and shape the filling into a ball. How much filling you use depends on how big you want your cookies to be. When you're finished, place the ball of filling on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. If you want to make a Dubai strawberry chewy cookie, take a strawberry with the stem cut off and cover it in the pistachio filling. Then roll it up into a ball. Now place the filling into the freezer to firm up. While the filling is in the freezer, we're going to make the chocolate marshmallows. In a large pan over low heat, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add 5 to 6 cups of jumbo marshmallows. Cook the marshmallows on low heat until they start to lose their shape. Next, add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Once you add the cocoa powder and milk powder, take the marshmallows off the heat. Then continue to mix everything until well combined. When you're finished, grease a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then pour the marshmallow on the parchment paper. After pouring the marshmallow on the parchment paper, take the Dubai filling out of the freezer. Then, grease your hands with butter or oil. Take a piece of the marshmallow big enough for the filling, then flatten it a bit in your hand. Next, place the filling in the middle of the marshmallow. Then pinch the edges of the marshmallow and stretch it over the filling until the filling is completely covered. Then roll it around in your hand until it becomes a perfect ball. When you're finished, set it to the side. Then repeat this process with the rest of the filling. Next, sift some cocoa powder into a bowl. Then coat the cookies in the cocoa powder. Shake off the excess cocoa powder and then repeat this process with the rest of the cookies. Next, place the cookies in cupcake liners. And that's it, you're all finished. And this is the finished result. These cookies are so fun and easy to make. They're sweet and stretchy, and the pistachio filling on the inside tastes delicious. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!